Hello viewers, you are watching Amiakhum WaterFall Bandarban. To see the 360 video properly, please drag with your mouse or flip your screen. We're heading to the waterfall, please keep watching. This is one of the most beautiful waterfalls around in Bandarbans. On the way, you need to cross the Debata Pahar, which will be a very exciting experience. We recorded another 360 video for the Debata Pahar. Please stay in touch, we'll publish that soon. We reached the waterfalls already. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to see more 360 shorts like this. Thank you. Bye bye.